Good morning, South Houston Intermediate. Today is Friday, May 21st. Don't forget, for the library, all your unreturned books are now presumed lost. If you can't find them, you can pay in the library or go online to the RevTrack system. Please see Ms. Powell if you have any questions about this. Students with clear library accounts, you will be rewarded. Pop into the library and check in with Ms. Powell to grab your goodies. There is a PISD Summer Reading Challenge. Registration is now open. Current 7th graders register as intermediate. Current 8th graders, you're going to register as high school. Visit the library websites for those links. There's 3 types of challenges. The Summer ACE program, we will be having ACE this summer. When is it? It's going to be Tuesday, June 1st through Thursday, July 8th from 8 o'clock in the morning till 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's free transportation here to South Houston Intermediate and back home. There's going to be hot meals and breakfast and lunch. Okay, so you're also going to get some free field trips for this. Contact Mr. Kinsey if you need any more information on that. Pasadena Virtual School. So if you are going to South Houston High School, not ECHS or CTHS, you can earn credit for high school. If you want to earn half a credit, it's going to be $100. If you want to earn a full credit, it's going to be $200. It's June 7th through the July 23rd. You can visit the website below for more information, or you can see Ms. Johns. You can get initial credit in things like communication application, economics, government, health, music appreciation, PE, and Spanish 1 and Spanish 2. So sign up for those summer school opportunities. Tablet collection for virtual students, May 26th, next week from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. in the front office. All right. Virtual students, you're going to have that drop off. You can drive by in the front and you will be dropping it off in the front of the building. Face-to-face students, yours is going to be on the 25th after map testing. So don't forget to turn in your device on the 25th. Fees will be added to your account if anything is missing or damaged for your computer and your charger. That is all we have for today. It is Friday. Good luck on your map test and have a great weekend.